So in this video, we're going to talk about what steps you need to take to get your computer ready to write Java programs. So where do we start? First, we need to install JDK, which is Java Development Kit on your computer. So the chances are you don't have JDK installed, but just to check, you can open your terminal on either Windows or Mac and then type java space dash version and then hit enter. So and then you can see whether you have Java installed or not. So following this video, I'm gonna do a quick demo on this. So again, you probably do not have that installed. So in that case, you need to click on this link to go to oracle.com and download the latest version of JDK on your computer. And once you download, you need to follow the instructions or the steps to install. And the next thing we need is to install a text editor. So there are so many choices of text editors. Our choice in this class will be the SublimeText editor. Again, this can be downloaded from SublimeText.com. It's not free normally, but it's not enforced. You should have no trouble using this for free. Okay, and please note that I do not suggest you to use an IDE such as NetBeans, Eclipse. They're highly advanced and they're usually not necessary for this class. Alright, so and one more step for Windows users. So please follow these instructions. I'm not going to read them one by one. And then to do one more step to make sure that your computer know where the Java is. So follow these 5 steps. There's also more information in this link. And on Mac users, you do not have to do this. Okay, so let's try to do this together. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to open the Spotlight and then search for terminal and then click on the app, and then this is my Mac terminal. Again, what I want to do is I want to see whether I have Java installed or not. So I'm going to type Java space dash version, and I'll get to see that I have Java 15 installed already. So which means I am ready to go. So if you're not, as I said earlier, so you need to click on the link to open oracle.com, and we can see that the latest version is 15. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to click on download and then scrolling down. Here we go. So we get a bunch of versions based on different platforms. So I'm going to install one for the Mac, and then if you have Windows, you should go with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on JDK-15 for Mac. So review and accept the terms, and then click on download. All right, so basically save anywhere you want, and then once your download is completed, you need to go and double click on that and then start the installation process. So the download has completed already, so I'm going to go to my Finder and find where I downloaded. You can also click on this, but I'm going to prefer to show you this way. So as you can see, JDK 15 for Mac. I'm going to double click on this and then follow the installation process. As I said earlier, I already have this, but for the sake of showing this to you, I'm going to reinstall my Java. And after this, when this is done, we're going to see how we can download the Sublime text editor as well. Okay, so I'm going to close this. And next was the Sublime text editor. So click on this link and you can follow download for the Mac or download for the Windows, whichever platform that you're using. Okay, so following the same steps, make sure to download this and then install to get it ready. So in the next video, we're going to start writing simple Java programs.